All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you about a app called Blockfolio. So what this app does, well, besides just having the market rates, almost like a CoinGecko or like a coin market cap, it also has a section for news. It can look at the different technical analysis that's going on, and you can go on your homepage. So this is the cool thing about Blockfolio. This isn't financial advice. This is just to help you with the crypto trading ecosystem and how to make money with the cryptocurrencies and how to track your progress. It's huge though. So before you're trading on like 20 different exchanges, you don't know what you paid for what. You're on Binance and you're like, what in the world did I pay for this? What did I pay for that? I don't even know what a dollar costs in. Well, this is how you can change it. So for example, let's go to Ethereum. We'll go to Ethereum. You can add a transaction and you literally just say, okay, well, I have Ethereum here. I'm going to go ahead and enter in a transaction. Okay. I'm going to say I bought 1 ETH at $500, or let's say we'll change it up. We'll make it fancy. I bought 1.14 ETH at $500. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll say the fee was $1, just because Binance or whatever. Maybe it was probably more than that. We'll just say $5 just to be on the safe side. So we're going to go ahead and save this buy transaction. And now we can go back to the main page and see, okay, we're on our home page. We can see ETH. Okay, so we go under our Ethereum profit and loss. You can actually go and track your profit and loss. So we'll go under ETH, we'll see our profit and loss, and we can see 1.14. We had a 146.32% increase. So that means, dude, we're doing gangbusters. That's great. If we just made this trade like 7 days ago, it means we're doing awesome. It also, well, I guess it did 575 because we did 1.14. We changed it up, remember? We're making it fancy. So you can track all your cryptocurrencies. You can add all the transactions on here, and then you can see how your portfolio is doing. So you can go to your market portfolio, see your total value, see exactly what it's doing, see how much it costs. It's really cool. A really neat app, and a lot of people are like, well, why would I use that? I just have Binance, or I have Voyager, or, well, because you can't buy every single cryptocurrency on one app. You got to use Uniswap, you got to use DEXs, especially if you're getting in these lower coin or lower projects. You can actually track to see what it is, and you can actually, instead of just writing it down on a piece of paper or using spreadsheets, you can just go straight into the app, see how you're doing, see what the change is. Okay, man, I'm doing pretty good. Okay, that's awesome. Well, we'll see what happens next. All right, awesome. Yeah, I just made this trade. Okay, great. Awesome, I'm doing great. And on top of that, you can even do this. Check this out. You can go under Litecoin or any of them. You can do watch, unwatch, and you can even add in a alert. This is crazy, guys. So you can go to alerts, and you can say, I want to add an alert. This is free. This is a free app. And then you could, well, obviously you got to enable notifications, but you can say, hey, notify me when a Litecoin goes to $1.50. Oh, whenever that happens, it's at a 169. So we'll see what happens with that. And it has all the coins. You guys can track them, see them. You can see all the different things going on. You can literally click on any of the coins, see the profit and loss, the profile, transact. Well, I didn't put any transactions. You can look at the order books, like see, hey, I got an order in for this size and this price. You just have to add it all in there. And better, well, not add it in there, but this is how you add it in there. You go to the exchange connections, add a connection, pick any of these exchanges. So instead of just going in there and type it in, you literally just click your exchange. Boom, we're going to click my exchange. And you can do advanced import, or you can just literally connect it by giving the API key and secret key. Yeah, I know you guys are like, oh, I don't want to do that. Well, this is just like a regular wallet. So similar to like a hardware wallet, you still have these keys. So you have the keys to this actual wallet here. You just have to log in and save. You'll see it when you register. It'll give you the keys and everything to it. And you just save those. And if you lose your phone, you just upload your same keys to this app, and boom, it's done. Blockfolio is a beast when it comes to tracking your cryptos. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.